Write the equation of the line given 2 points. After watching this video, I'll be able to write the equation of a line given 2 points. So remember, in order to write an equation in slope-intercept form, the slope and the y-intercept is necessary. So first we will need to find the slope in this case, and then we are going to need to find the y-intercepts so that we can write the equation. So I want to write the slope-intercept form of the line that is passing through these 2 points. So first I must find the slope by using the slope formula. So I'm going to label my points x1, y1, x2, y2, and then I'm going to plug into my formula. So my slope is going to equal y2 is 4, y1 is the number 1, x2 is -1, and x1 is 0. Then we're going to simplify. 4 minus 1 is 3. -1 minus 0 is just -1. So when I simplify 3 over -1, I just get -3. Then I'm going to choose any point. So you could choose 0, 1 or -1, 4. It does not matter. And I'm going to use that information to replace my x and y in my y equals mx plus b formula. So I know that the y is -1. I know that the m is -3 because I just solved for m. I know that x is 0. And then I'm trying to solve for b. -3 times 0 is just 0. So my b is equal to -1. Once we have an m and a b, we can write the equation of a line. So y equals mx plus b. Remember, the only things we want to replace are the m and b. So y is equal to -3x minus 1. And this would be a final answer. So step 1 is to find the slope. So I'm going to use my slope formula. Label my points. I know it's going to be a fraction. I know we are going to subtract. My y2 is -5. My x2 is -2. My y1 is -4. My x1 is 0. Then I'm going to simplify. A double negative becomes a positive. So this is really -5 plus 4, which gives me -1. And then -2 minus 0 is just -2. A negative over negative becomes positive, so this is really 1/2. So my m is equal to 1/2. Step 2 is to plug in the information. So I'm going to choose a point. I'm just going to choose the first one. So y is equal to mx plus b. My y is -4. My m is 1/2. My x is 0 plus b. So when I simplify, -1/2 times 0 is just 0. So b is equal to -4. Once you have an m and a b, we can write an equation. So y is equal to the m, which is 1/2. X stays. And then what is the b? -4. So -4. This next problem is a you try, so you should pause your video, try and do this problem, and then press play to see if your answer is correct. Pause your video now. So remember, step 1 is to find the slope. After we find the slope, we're going to end up with 4 over 3. Then you're going to choose any point. So you can use either 5, 4 or the point -1, -4. Plug into your y equals mx plus b to solve for the letter b, to solve for the y-intercept. Doesn't matter which point you use, you're going to end up with b equals to -8 over 3. Once you have the slope and the y-intercept, the m and the b, you can write an equation. Remember, y and x must remain as variables.